Dear ladies, hearty welcome to Nefertiti Ladies Fitness Club, which is situated in the beautiful emirate of Ras Al Khaimah. My name is Ms. Mina, Operations Manager in this club. Now we take this opportunity to take you for a short tour here at Nefertiti. This is to give you a short-hand information on what Nefertiti can offer you, how it is professionally managed, how competitive our staff are, how well they are technically trained, and how friendly they are, what programs we have, what equipments you will use, and how spacious our exercise floors are. And then you will find and decide how Nefertiti is different from any other fitness clubs growing like mushrooms in the city today. To start with, we welcome you to our environment-friendly reception area where the staff will greet and receive you here at Nefertiti. Initially, the staff will brief you about the club and will lead you to the manager who will have a healthy discussions with you. We are sure that you will feel comfortable once you know how you are being treated, how we listen to your expectations, and what suggestions are given based on your fitness requirements. Now, once your personal data is taken, the manager will tell you how disciplined you have to be, because your attendance, your target, and your progress will all be monitored and recorded on a regular basis until you reach your target goal, all for a healthy lifestyle of yours. Following are the programs we have at Nefertiti. We have cardio machines to work out with. We have circuit training where you can burn your calories at the highest level. We have also weight training program under the assistance and supervision of our instructors. We also have aerobics and Zumba where you can enjoy working out with us. And for the relaxation of your body and mind, we have massage, yoga, and Pilates. This is our gym area, which is the heart and soul of our club. As you can see from here, we have different kinds of cardio machines to work out with. We have here elliptical. On this side, we have treadmill. Now on this area, we have bicycle. We also have here circuit training machines where you cannot find anywhere in Ras Al Khaimah. And this is our circuit training machines, which you will burn your calories at the highest level. Now, before entering the gym, you have to sign in our attendance book. This is to monitor whether you are coming regularly or not. We have puncher here. On this side, we have washroom to refresh yourself. And this is our changing room with temporary lockers for you. And this is our shower room. Now we are here in Gym 2 where you can do your full workout. With this kind of machines that we have, you can tone down your body, again with the assistance and supervision of our instructors. And the most important of it is we based on changing your exercise based on your body requirements, but with no extra pay at all. We have also washroom here. This is to refresh yourself. As what you have seen, this is our aerobics and Zumba area. Needless to say, maybe the biggest hall you may have seen in the town. Now, in aerobics, we are using step bench with exercises on the floors. For toning and firming up of your body, we are using dumbbells and ankle weights. Exercises through sticks and balls. You can enjoy working out with our professional instructors. With the selected music, you can enjoy either the class of Zumba or aerobics. This is our yoga and Pilates area. We in Nefertiti believe that a person is complete not only on her physical appearance or physical fitness of her body. We believe in the inner happiness and stress-free, healthy mind. So as per your choice, either yoga or Pilates. After a hard days of work at home or in the office, your body needs some pampering also, and that we are offering massage. In this cozy and private area of ours, you can enjoy and relax with different kinds of techniques done by our professional massage therapists. Hope you enjoyed your tour with me and hope to see you soon here at Nefertiti. Thank you.